What it do, gang? Your boy Duna Love. Man, I'm in the beer section, man. We finna go fishing, right? Let me tell y'all fishing, but I'm trying to get some worms. And they ain't here with the damn beer, fam. But we're in Medical Lake. I had to get some worms. We was supposed to go on the boat this morning, but the motor my uncle had for us, he haven't started in a couple years, so it didn't start, so we had to take it to the damn Marine's boat store to fix the motor. So we're gonna do some shore fishing. Hopefully we catch some. Got Ledge, baby Ledge over there, Omi over there looking for something, and Jay over there. Ledge. He got them sandals on.
They just dropped the chicken, so I just got us chicken strips. Alright.
Legend, where you going? Come here. These was in there with the beer. Hear me? Yeah. I was looking for him. Come here.
Hold this on me. Let me see.
Come on.
I like those.
Don't matter. But we rode no Charlie Brown outside. Alright, so here go the lake. We're supposed to be fishing at. We got a little walk. We're gonna walk down the trail over there. And it's like disconnected. I feel like this and this.
Yeah.
It gotta be. Where did water come from?
It's just this one's a little more shallow.
But we're going this way, empty way.
You continue up this hill, that's the crazy hospital.
Yeah, it's the crazy hospital up the road.
Which I don't know why they got it this close to the water.
My uncle said, because my uncle worked at it, he said one day somebody escaped. Look how packed it is already. It's a little parking lot for one.
The weather has just got good. It's supposed to be 80 today, 80 tomorrow, and it was 80 yesterday. So I feel like everybody...
This is like the first 2-3 days of good weather.
Yeah. Everybody taking advantage of it. Yeah, somebody parked right there. You see it?
Uh-huh. Oh, well. And I'm trying to eat too, y'all.
Yeah, so I think everybody's just trying to enjoy the weather that they can, walking and
Bruh, tell me why. How many of these you get? Crispitos, right?
I got 2 of these.
2 Crispitos.
What I said, 1.5 pounds of chicken strips and a half a pound of
JoJo's. And some worms. $30.
Mommy.
I said, damn.
Mommy, look.
What?
Water.
The water.
The what?
It's water.
Oh.
Water.
But we got the tackle box bucket, 2 chairs. We brung this wagon my cousin donated to me. Thank you. Shouldn't have left it at my house. Then we got our rides.
Brought me a sweater.
Coat.
If it's gonna be like this.
No, it's finna be hot. You ain't gonna need
And I
nothing.
forgot my glasses.
We gotta unpack the life jackets and the bags.
We had to unpack them.
Well, we had to take them out.
I did.
No, like, we all gotta take them out the truck.
Who put them
We gotta
in?
get our supplies off the truck. What you saying? All right.
Yeah.
You want me to hold it while you and Omi do it?
What?
Me and Ledge just sit here and look pretty. Here, Ledge. It's so cold.
Here, Led. I brought his scooter because he be being lazy. Don't go nowhere.
After about 5 minutes, you can be like, I'm gonna ride in the wagon.
Tired. I'm tired too.
Work on this stuff first.
Maybe follow ponies.
I don't think there's bunnies right here. He said bunnies right here.
Bunny up. Oh.
Bunnies over there. You'll see. Help Daddy with the wagon.
Ah!
Everybody hitting me up early today.
Dad,
This little wagon came in clutch, huh, dude?
Oh, did. Nice dinner bill now.
And them.
Mom, that's a little whitey.
Don't bend them up.
Mom, a fish?
We gonna fish.
Huh?
We gonna fish.
Let's go fish?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, fish down in water.
Look at Omi's little pole.
She's been at this for a minute.
Oh, what?
About time to retire and get you a big one now.
I'm bringing this one just in case.
Daddy should stop and fish.
The weather been so on and off. They're getting over their little colds. Codes.
He should stop the fish. Mom, let's go water.
Here, let me come grab these life jackets. I don't know what he brought them for because we ain't getting in the water.
I would.
No, it's too freezing cold.
Close to the water, so you gotta have them.
Mom, let's take the leg. Mom, take the leg.
Should I just grab a diaper and wipe?
The leg. Oh,
Yeah.
the leg.
That's our snack bag and just first aid kit, stuff like that. And let me get the water right here. And a diaper. We got our handy dandy water. I'm gonna grab this shirt for legend. Hold on, you guys.
Take a white food.
Gotta bless this real quick. This my coffee.
No, and mommy coffee.
Oh, I forgot the chairs.
I can carry them. You can pull this.
Just throw them over here. Yeah, no, I got it.
Oh, what? Come on. I get to carry it easy.
We used to have to come and let him park over there.
Come on, Toot.
We used to have to carry all this by hand.
go.
Everybody had to carry everything.
Yeah, them chairs be the worst when you walking up and downhill. Wait, Toot, so you don't run into nobody's car.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
Go, Cindy.
Followed. Here, let me help you.
Come on.
You can't do it on this ground. It's hard. That little van. Start my thing on your the phone.
What?
The walking thing.
Do it. Come on, let's go. Come on. Put your feet and do it. You did it? Good job. Wait, Batman. We're almost to where we gotta go.
The water look a little high over there. Stop, ledge.
Stop, sit. Come here. Come here. Okay, bye. Let's go. Come here. Let me help you.
Let me turn the music on. Do it on my phone. It's right there by you. I got it. Move your hands. No, you stay back too. Stay by Daddy. Come on, go.
Turn back on when we get down there.
All right. I'm gonna get this view real quick. I'm gonna take this as a thumbnail. Heard it is not a good word.
Come on, let's go.
one thing about bank fishing I hate. There's so much algae. I know I'm finna go over here where we used to walk at. We used to fish like over here. But I didn't want to take them across this little water stuff. See, look how bad it is. We used to just drop down. We used to just drop down right there and sit right there. Hold on. We just sit right there and fish in that hole over there. But let me see if y'all can see it. No, not really. But it's hella algae and rocks and I don't know. Used to see fish over there, but don't seem like we finna see none right now. But it's a little spot we used to come to fish. Like I said, we ain't got the boat today, so this might be a quick ass trip for me, for real, for real. Oh, almost broke a leg. But Ledge keep talking about some go, everybody. Ledge, you fishing? Look. But could y'all back on and we do something. Don't seem like we might try to find a different spot to fish, but stay tuned.
Eating. You see him looking? Ooh, it's pretty day. He's cute. Yeah, but he better not run over here.
Hey up, dude.
Hold on to it. Scoot back a little bit. Look, you're gonna drop it.
If you drop it, be alright. It ain't gonna go nowhere. It'll fall right there.
There's a lot of chipmunks over here.
Yeah, this is gonna be a quick day because I ain't got time to be sitting here not getting no bite.
Practice for the kids today.
Reel it in some on me. Put your pole down some.
Come over here. Okay, you watch yours and hold it. Hold it. Pay attention. Look at your pole. Damn, mommy. Hold on. Reel it in a little bit.
Now go down.
Come on, let's go.
Ledge reel it in.
Hold on a minute.
Just reel it. You don't gotta grab it, just reel it. Reel it all the way in and rethrow it.
Yeah, like that. No, hold it. Hold it. No, put it.
Pick it up before it get hard on the rock.
Put it like this.
Flip it first. Yeah, nah.
I have never thrown it like that.
Let it down a little bit. No. Make sure it's not tangled. Flip the thing back over because it's gonna keep falling. It's still tangled. You gotta launch that thing. You be. Let me show you how a pro do it. No. We're gonna tear some shit up.
Let me duck. Rethrow Ledge.
Here, Omi. Come on this side. Let me see this leg.
Let's see if Omi can throw it.
That's dead. No, she can't.
It's stuck.
On the stick right here.
Wait, Daddy's gonna rethrow it and give it back.
Look, Ledge.
Look, a big stick. Well, you got that stick, too.
Go, Judy. Go,
Uh-uh. Move back, Ledge.
Mom, I like it. Mom, what?
Hey, Ledge.
Remember when we tried to like throw the rocks to make it skip? That kind of skipped on the rocks. Didn't though.
Ledge is definitely a little country man.
Reel it in, son, Mama. You got your pole in
I
there.
got a fish.
Put
Do
it
you hear your
down.
dad? Yeah. Hold yours too.
Keep doing
Pay attention
Reel
to
it
see if
in.
you can. You gotta reel it until you can see some tension on the line. You see your line in the water right there?
it. See why?
When it's straight, like at you, look. You
No,
really do
Legend.
that and
No.
it's- Stop, Ledge. Ledge,
Movie.
you don't got no fish on yet.
Movie back, you guys.
No.